Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with another video on the Honda Ruckus. Lots of videos on the Honda Ruckus lately, but there's lots of things that I wanted to do and I finally get to do them now. So I want to call this a mod, but I think I really just want to call it an upgrade on something that exists on the Honda Ruckus already that doesn't seem to be efficient enough, I guess is what you could say. I first saw this product on ruckcity.com. I went ahead and found one and purchased it, and here it is. A plain white box. What could be inside? Well, you know how they always say that loud pipes saves lives. Recently I saw bright lights saves lives. Well, how about this? Loud horns saves lives. So this is an air horn, 2-pole, pretty small. It's supposed to be 133 decibels loud. So today we're going to take the front box or the battery box off the Honda Ruckus and see if we can get this to fit on there. I mean, this is all that came in the box. I mean, it's pretty much mounted 2-pole. It does say in one sheet of paper saying do not remove this screw. It is not a mount for this bracket. Changing this screw right here's depth or moving it around will change the tone of the horn. So we're gonna leave it. I'm hoping that it's super loud. I hope it sounds like a car actually, and I hope it scares people. But anyways, just as a reminder, this is a small board channel. We do mods, moto vlogs, upgrades, tuning, group rides, you name it, we do it. So if there's something else that you want me to try, go ahead and let me know. Anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and give me a subscribe, and at the end of the video, if you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Anyways, let's play that intro. So now that we got that over with, let's go ahead and take the battery box off the bike and see if we can actually make this fit under the battery box. Okay, so there's the stock mounting point for the horn that sits right here. There's the 2 leads off the ATR harness. Here's the independent wiring harness with a relay that I created for the headlights. But let's go ahead and take this off and see if we can mount the the horn in the same position and still fit within the battery box. Anyways, let's take a look. Yep. 10mm bolt. All right, let's put it on, which I don't think it'll work, but we're gonna try. And then test fit with the front battery box back down. It's too big. There's plenty of space under here, so let's see if we can make it fit where the old ECU used to be. All right, well, let me figure out where it goes, and then I'll give you guys an update as to where I put it. So I ended up putting the horn underneath where the ECU used to be on a GY6 or on a Get motor. Even when there's a ECU there's still a space down there. It's not bolted to anything, but it's floating in there right now, and it is facing forward. I may consider extending the cables and mounting it underneath my seat since it's so small and have it face forward. That'd be kind of cool because I don't think you can really see it underneath the seat very well. But I'm thinking of other places to put it other than in the battery box. But I guess really the point that people want to see is how loud this horn is. So since everyone is sleeping in my house and I'm not talking very loud, I'm going to go ahead and take the Ruckus out to a parking lot, and we're gonna go ahead and test it with the Motovlog cam helmet. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so here's the horn. It has been installed. When I installed it, I had it down here, but I had to move it up further and face it that way, so I don't know if any of these cables are going to muffle the sound. So here's a sample of what the sound sounds like with the new horn. Unfortunately, I don't have this one hooked up, so I can't give you the sound that this one has, but here it is. Let me move it back a little bit. Anyways. It's definitely not a scooter horn. So this is what that air horn sounds like. I think I need to work on moving it underneath my seat or somewhere where it's facing, the air horn portion is facing out. Because right now it's facing that way. And it could be louder. But I think it's a success. What do you think? Please leave a comment below. Alright, well, it definitely doesn't sound like that beep beep of the original horn, and it sounds more like a car horn, if you ask me. So, let me know what you think. I'll leave a link in the description for the product down below if you want to go ahead and see if you want to pick up something like this. It is on smallenginevelocity.com, but it only ships UPS, so just be prepared. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you everybody who's been here for a really long time and who continues to watch these videos, because I really appreciate it, and I really love doing this. It really keeps me at peace and keeps me calm and keeps me satisfied with all these mods that I do. Anyways, thanks, and I'll see everybody next time.